Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a small business birthday card. So let's begin by mentioning the things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. So let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. The artwork on this template are the balloons, the gold lines, the brush stroke here, and the color of the social media icons cannot be changed. Everything else on this template can be modified. Let's change the background color so you can see here. You can also change the shape. This section is grouped, so for you to ungroup it, just go to the top right and click ungroup. And now you should be able to select each section on its own. To edit the text, you can just double click and start typing. You can also change the size of the text, the color, and select a different font if you would like. And that goes for all the text on the template. This section right here is also grouped, so you want to ungroup it, and you can now select each section on its own. Let's remove the placeholder here and upload our logo. This logo has a transparent background. If your logo has a color background, like this one, if you were to change the color of the background, it's not going to blend in. So what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down, go to the section called Frames, select the circle, click on your logo and drag. And now it should look perfectly fine. So now you can change the color to whatever color you would like, and your logo is going to blend in well. You have your Spanish template below and your social media icons on the last page. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.